Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable auto import for your photos and videos on META Ray-Ban glasses. To enable or disable auto import, go to the settings. You can see there are two different gear icons. Click on the ones that are lower and go to first of all, you need to be connected to Wi-Fi. So make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi on your glasses, and now go to media. Make sure auto import while charging is enabled, and what it does is basically if your glasses are on with this switch, and also if they are put in the case and charging and plugged into power, then it will automatically import all the videos and photos to your gallery. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.